So the last part we're going to do for our CAD basics is a bearing. Once again, we're going to change project, so no parts open, click on projects, new, single user, proper name, finish. Okay, so it's now our default project done, and we can open a new part. Once again, start a new 2D sketch on the XY plane. Right, so this time, rather than drawing parts and extruding them, we're going to revolve them because they're circular. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to draw a line. Now this line, we're going to just draw horizontal. Right click OK. I'm going to right click on that line and turn it into a center line. I'm then going to move, using the coincident constraint, the midpoint of that center line to the center point of the part. Okay, it's gone purple, which means it's horizontal and locked, but one dimension needed, and that's just the length of the line. So this is an occasion where we don't actually need to finish the sketch because it's that line that's missing. I'm just going to slide it down a little bit. What I'm going to do now is create a rectangle. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of geometry. I'm going to find the top center of that rectangle and vertically constrain it to the center point, which means now that it moves like so. Okay, and I'm then going to draw a circle from the bottom line, from the midpoint, and I'm just going to bring it up. Okay, I'm going to trim away the middle of the line and the bottom of the circle. Now what is going to happen is that it's not entirely joined up. Okay, so this line isn't level with that line, and this center point isn't above there. So remember, from the sketching basics, we can fix that really easily. So let's do the circle first. Let's get that in the middle. Vertical constraint, center point of the circle with the center point of the part. That's now in the middle. And collinear to get this line and this line level. But what's going to happen now? You see this center point goes up and down as well. We want that level as well. So we're going to use a horizontal constraint, end point to center point. Okay, so what's left are the dimensions. So we're just going to go through and dimension up these parts. So it's 50 millimeters wide. It is 20 millimeters tall, and the radius of our circle is 6 millimeters. And I've got this size at the top wrong. That should be 20. That's correct, but I'm just going to dimension from the top to the center line. You see it's jumped into a dimension 50. Okay, and I've realized now that I have got this dimension wrong here, so I'm going to delete it, and I'm just going to go back to dimension. So from the center line to this line is actually 30. That's better. Finish the sketch. Right, so remember, we're not going to extrude this time, we're going to revolve. So Inventor's looking for one closed profile like before, but this time it's looking for an axis to revolve it around. And because I made that center line, it's picked it. You can hit OK. The last thing to do is to put some chamfers on, so the outside edges are 2 millimeters. So we'll hit apply. That's done that. And then these inside edges are 1 mil. And hit OK. Once again, don't forget to save. Give it the proper name. OK. And that's it. You've been through the all the videos in the CAD Basics. Your tutor now will give you some more parts that you can get on with on your own. Thank you very much.